What's up, guys? It's CamiForex here. So, as you already know, I'm in my office now. I'm currently back in Cameroon, so vacation is over. I'm already missing Nigeria, and my office is a whole lot of a messy environment. I forgot to lock some of my doors, like the under and doors. Like, let me show you. So you can see this is my chair. I just imported from China. Remember, I told you that I'm doing mini importation. So I also import from China, Dubai, Turkey, Vietnam, even from Nigeria to Cameroon and the US. So that's part of my business. So I also bought Starling. I bought my Starling, but I've already put it up. It's already up and it's running. So I have high speed network now. And you can see here, all of this place. Here you can see the dust. It's really high. Even here, look at all of these things have cracked. I just need to change this one and order for an electric table. All of this place, everything is just so messy. So I have to redesign this office with everything new. I want to redesign everything new in this office. So guys, let me know if you have any suggestion. My chair is also dirty. I'm going to be taking care of it. So let me know what you think. And for the giveaway account, I already informed everybody that wants. They are official to me. Some on Telegram, on my Telegram. Some came to my WhatsApp. Some on Instagram. And guys, some people created a new account. And when you create a new account, it is easy for somebody to tell because they'll put their new. So don't think that you can come and easily have your way by convincing me, because I was able to differentiate. So this week, people are going to be having their account, those who want the giveaway challenge. So a new giveaway has been launched, which is going to be taking place on, I think should be in February. This February we are going to be giving out 5 or more accounts, again depending on how my trading will go. So guys, this is where we are going to be discussing now, and then it's good. So guys, I promised you about a day in my life video when I was in Nigeria. My last days in Nigeria, I went out. I'm going to be making a video about that. I entered into this VR world. My first time experiencing it. It was really awesome, and it was just down on me that Forex is really good. Like, it has unending enjoyment once we started making it. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Camelius. Please subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, so that each time I drop a new video, you are going to be notified. So guys, watch me and let me also do some cleanups together. Okay guys, so we are going for relaxation, and my bro, an interview is coming up to ask him how he succeeded. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, look at them there. So we are going today with Uber. So we are all set. We are going out now. No grief for anybody this year. Wow. Except our homeland of Africa. Why police don't move this one? Just somebody that woke up one morning and there's no food for anybody. Now where you gave it? Differentiation. So guys, we are finally here. We are finally here, and we are going to be looking for a place to go inside. I think it's my first experience, my first time to come here. It's my first time to come here, so we are going to be experiencing it. Okay. So guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, please subscribe, click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so that you can get more awesome videos. We should go and design it. So guys, we are about to eat. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. So let us eat. Father, bless this food. Amen. I pray. So guys, we are done for the day, and we are looking to go back home. See my people there. We have to go that way. Exit. Thank you. Like, this is an investment, though. Selling care. So we are going out now. So guys, that is how my last days in Nigeria came to an end, and now I'm currently in Cameroon. I don't know if I'm going to go back to Nigeria so soon, but I wish I should go back so soon. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also use my link below to get a 10% discount from the Forex Founder program. You know, this year going on with the program is the best solution for you to scale up yourself in the Forex industry. Remember, I always say that you cannot trade your $100, $50, and you really become a millionaire from it. So get a bigger program account so that you can use bigger lot size. Remember, small lot size will not make you a millionaire. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.